Once a silent workhorse of Britain's industrial backbone, the Dodge 100 Q truck remains, a symbol of post-war resilience and mechanical reliability, produced primarily during the 1940s to the early 1960s at the Chrysler factory in Kew, London. This medium-duty truck helped reshape the logistics and transportation sectors during a time when the nation was rebuilding itself from the rubble of World War II. The Q moniker comes from the location of its manufacturing plant, and these trucks were commonly seen transporting goods across the UK and abroad, becoming a trusted name among fleet operators for their toughness and dependable performance. With its classic rounded fenders, split windshield, and unmistakable vertical bar grille, the Dodge 100 Q had a rugged yet charming design that's now considered iconic in vintage truck circles. Under the hood, the Dodge 100 Q was typically equipped with a Perkins diesel engine, most notably the Perkins P6 4.9-liter inline-six engine that produced around 83 to 90 horsepower. Depending on the specific configuration, this engine was known for its durability and torque, which made it ideal for hauling heavy loads, even on the uneven and poorly maintained roads of the time. Some variants also used petrol engines, but diesel became the standard due to better fuel efficiency and torque characteristics suited for commercial applications. The gearbox was generally a 4-speed manual, and the truck's chassis came in a variety of lengths and body styles, including flatbed, tipper, and box van formats. Its simplicity in design and ease of repair made it a favorite among mechanics and owners alike. Compared to its contemporaries like the Bedford E-Type or the Ford Thames ET6, the Dodge 100 Q offered a robust alternative with slightly higher payload capacities and a reputation for lasting longer with minimal maintenance. While Bedford may have been more widespread and Ford more refined in cab comfort, the Dodge 100 Q struck a balance between power, economy, and reliability. Winning over many independent haulers and small businesses, it also found success overseas, especially in former British colonies, where it was valued for its ability to withstand. Historically, the Dodge 100 Q represents a critical chapter in Britain's commercial vehicle development, serving a vital role in economic recovery and industrial expansion. During the mid-20th century, its contribution to goods movement, construction, and military logistics cannot be overstated. Looking forward, the future role of the Dodge 100 Q is less about practical application and more about preservation and admiration. As vintage and classic vehicle restoration gains popularity, these trucks are becoming collector's items and stars of truck shows and parades. With electric conversion kits and modern drivetrain swaps, there's even potential for the Q to make a retro-futuristic comeback, merging classic design with sustainable technology